Hey guys, Mr. Man 105 here, and I've put the homemade two-stroke air engine on a water pump, and I'm just improvising right now. So the hose is in there, but I'm gonna try to run the air engine. I'm gonna try to run the pump off of the air engine. Now it's super cold out here and I don't have a jacket, so I'm just going to make a quick video, and because it's so cold the engine isn't going to run that well because the recompression chamber won't be able to expand. So I'm just going to show you guys it running for a little bit, and then I gotta shut off the water and go inside because it's freaking cold out here. Okay, here we go. Compressor's all pumped up. It's no longer leaking from right here. It's all going out the outlet. Yeah, it's running out of air real quick. It's almost gone, and there it is. So there's my demonstration. Hopefully I'll make a second video of the engine running the water pump, and the engine will run a little bit better because it'll probably be a warmer day. I got my foot in the water. Thanks for watching and subscribe.